Hey, this is Joe from RealSuccess, and today we're going to talk about the importance of hard money lending as a real estate investment strategy. Hard money lending is a strategy of making short-term loans to real estate investors who buy rentals or fix and flip properties. While the strategy can be very profitable, where the hard money lender is giving you up to 90 or 95% of the full amount of money you will need, it also has some risks. If you have to take the property back at foreclosure, you need to make sure you're protected. I recommend educating yourself well before doing a hard money lending transaction. The amount the hard money lenders are able to lend to the borrower is primarily based on the value of the subject property. The property may be one the borrower already owns and wishes to use as collateral, or it may be the property the borrower is acquiring. Hard money lenders are primarily concerned with the property's value rather than the borrower's credit. Although credit is still it's important, it's good to know, but basically the hard money lender is giving the loan against the property, the value of the property. Borrowers who cannot get conventional financing due to a recent foreclosure or short sale can still obtain a hard money loan if they have sufficient equity in the property that is being used as a collateral. When the bank says no, the hard money lender says yes. Thanks for watching our short video section, and I truly hope this brought value to your investment career. These are the basics of hard money lending, and if you want to learn the ins and outs, click here on the link. This is my website where we educate people how to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. I'm here for you. We're in this journey called life together. Let's enjoy every moment and do what we truly love, whatever that is. And let's create real success for everyone.